Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT and the XFX Quicksilver RX 9070. Both cards boast impressive specifications, including 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, making them suitable for high-end gaming. In this video, we will explore their performance, pricing, and warranty options to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in! When it comes to performance, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT features a higher boost clock speed of 2,970 MHz, compared to the XFX Quicksilver's 2,700 MHz. This difference can lead to better performance in demanding games and applications, making the Sapphire a more powerful option for gamers looking for top-tier performance. In terms of pricing, the XFX Quicksilver is more affordable at $679, while the Sapphire RX 9070 XT comes in at $729. For budget-conscious gamers, the XFX offers a compelling value without sacrificing too much performance, making it an attractive option for those looking to save some money. Warranty is another important factor to consider. The XFX Quicksilver offers a 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind for buyers. In contrast, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT comes with a 2-year warranty. This longer warranty period for the XFX could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize long-term reliability. In conclusion, both the Sapphire RX 9070 XT and XFX Quicksilver RX 9070 offer excellent performance for gamers. The Sapphire leads in boost clock speed, while the XFX provides a more budget-friendly option with a longer warranty. Depending on your priorities, either card could be the right choice for your gaming setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.